Hey guys, this is Nazir with my pitch video for ADP 11408. So for my app idea, I'm creating an application that helps user focus on apps workout. It gathers the best app workout and puts them in a way that's easy for anybody to follow and puts them in a very user-friendly way that motivates people to keep going back to that app and actually exercise. Um, what you see here is the landing page, which is the logo. On the side is the menu that will pop up when they click the menu panel. So when the app first starts, you see the image on the left there, and this is the main page. By clicking start, the user would go straight into an app workout that's general for the whole abdominal area, but they can also focus on a specific area, example upper ab, lower, middle, or sides. So by clicking either one of these areas, it would get them to the screen on the left there with the theme of the screen changing to fit that area, just to reinforce that area. And it gives a list of all exercises that are targeted exactly for that area. By clicking on any of these items, it shows you the detail of that workout and an animation of how to do it. So let's get back to the start button. When you click start, it takes you to the workout. So from here you can start your workout with visual and auditory cues, so that when you need to start the workout, your phone doesn't have to be in your hand. You can just lay it on the ground and just hear the beep until it's time to start. You can also look at the phone real quick to look at the animation to see how the workout is done and if you're doing it properly or not. And these sets completed versus skipped or not yet completed are indicated below with the 10 indicators. Each time a set is complete, it's filled with blue. If a set is skipped, it leaves it as gray, and then if set hasn't been done yet, it's gray also. Just a quick preview of what the app looks like while it's running. The timer goes down per second, and while it's going down, the animation changes, indicating how each movement needs to be done. Now at any time, the user can tap on the timer to pause it, and this pause icon would show up just slightly to tell the user that it has been paused, and then it would default to a play button where you can click it and resume your workout. By clicking either arrows on the left or right, you can go back to a previous workout or skip the current one to get to the next one. This is pretty much the primary goal of the application. Once this is done, it goes back to the main page, but it still tracks the workout that you've created in the calendar. So in the calendar, you get a view of the whole month, and then every day that you've actually worked out is highlighted. At any time, you can tap on that circle to open up a pop-up view shown in the right side here, with showing you how many minutes you spent that day on working out, what your weight was, and what your waist size was on that date. Now your weight and waist size are coming through the weight and waist size tracking feature, which is also an area which you can get to easily by tapping the menu bar up there. From here, you have the option to view the line chart for your weight or waist size, and the units will change based on which one you choose. You can also view it in 1 month format, 3 or 6 months format. You can also always click on track, and it takes you to the screen on the right where you can enter your weight and waist size, and this is where it captures the information, so it enters it in the calendar and plots it right away, line chart. So MotiPic is a feature that motivates people. It's pretty much motivation pictures. From here, you can take a picture once a week, and that picture is stored with some details next to it, like the date it was taken, your weight on that date, and waist size. These information are coming through the weight and waist size tracking area. Now you can also only take one picture a week. The oldest one is always displayed at the top. And once you have 5 pictures in there, that means you've been using the application for 5 weeks. You can use the merge features, which is that button on the upper right corner of the left screen. What this does, it generates a GIF with all these images kind of merging in a way to show the user their progress, pretty much. So if you've been working out like the app is telling you to do for the past 5 weeks, you would see a huge difference in waist size. You would see it shrink before your eyes. Now this GIF, along with the line charts, can be shared on social media through Facebook, Twitter, or Google+. Get into the settings tab. From here you can set reminders so that it reminds you when it's time to work out. You can set rest intervals, so between workouts you have about 10 seconds to rest before starting the next one. Here you can adjust it so you can have 5 seconds or up to 30 seconds of rest time between each workout. And you can also change the units from metric to imperial. So this is it for the app. It's really a fitness app that focuses on the abdominal area and just help motivate users and keep them connected to staying fit through the tracking features that shows them their progress day by day. And then I think once they see that progress and once they see the merging effect feature shrinking their waist, they would continue to use it, help them stay in shape. So this is my app. Looking forward to start developing it and looking forward to sharing it with you.